I know it's been a while, but I'm back because of a vacation that I'm about to take. I'm going on leave here soon. We're going to call this Vlogcation. So basically what I want to do, I want to show you all the preparation going into my trip, and show you the trip itself. And then I also have a very special person I want to introduce you all to. So stay tuned. The first place that I needed to stop was Smoothie King. I love their freaking smoothies. This one is the pineapple surf. It has pineapple, strawberry, turbinado, which is like their sugar or sweetener, whatever. And I also like to add banana and spinach. My gosh, guys, it is freaking hot. Your girl is sweating bullets. But from here, I'm gonna go to the PX. I'm going to get some hair supplies and just a little bit of toiletry, like travel size stuff for the trip. Another thing I forgot to mention, I'm also going home, so I'll be showing you guys some family stuff also. I am so excited. 2 weeks, no work, vacation, seeing my family. This is gonna be the best 2 weeks of life, and I need it. Like, I need it. You guys don't even understand. But anyways, moving along. Oh my gosh, you guys, I don't know if y'all saw in there, but the lady that was at that booth was from the show Good Times. I don't know if y'all remember that show, but I wasn't alive when it was on, but I watched reruns of it when I was growing up. And yeah, she was there, but I couldn't, like, I wanted to get an autograph or something, but I couldn't. Oh my gosh, I hate that I'm this way. One time I saw Solange Knowles in New Orleans, and I couldn't speak to her either. I get so shy. Oh, this is stupid. Oh yeah, I love when this happens. Now I don't have to back up. I can just go straight out. So here we have my bags that I'm taking. I gotta pack my laptop, blanket, that's the outfit I'm gonna wear tomorrow, and that's just some laundry that I just finished washing. So let's get to it. So in here I have all of my clothes, shoes, some hats. I've got all of my bikinis in there, and then yeah, under the blue towel is clothes. I need to get, I'll put those shoes in there later. All of the stuff that I just bought, and then this is gonna be my carry-on. I got this from Walmart. Isn't it cute? Just a little, you know, something. I have jewelry in there for right now, but also I'm gonna have like charger, headphones, all that jazz. And then that's my blanket for on the plane. plan for the rest of the day is gonna be probably I'll take a nap. And that way I can stay up all night tonight, sleep on the flight in the morning, and then when I wake up, I will be in paradise. Okay guys, the time is now 4:45 and I'm about to make my way to the airport. My last flight, I should be there in maybe another 5 almost 6 hours, so I'm so excited. In the meantime, I'm freaking starving, so probably gonna get some food. So my boyfriend picks me up from the airport. I was so excited to see him, but I was exhausted. So we pretty much just ate, relaxed, and eventually went to bed. If you like this, please stay tuned for the next part of this adventure. And as always, with that being said, I'm out.